take. Dark, sacred night, I hear babies cry. I watch them grow, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Rise, 3 stars, 7 sun, 3 door.
But you can call me Roz.
Rise! Rise, rise, rise.
Think, how long do you estimate swim and fly to take?
Swimming's easy. I can teach him the way my mom taught me. Swim!
Think. He will not learn that way.
Not if you keep doing that. Must be a relief.
Yes, Brightbill is where he belongs. And now you can return to your solitary life of struggling to survive on an island where everything wants to kill and eat you.
Yeah, and you can go to that place you've never been and don't know what's going to happen to you.
Yes!
Yes!
You're in Snother now. I will protect you. Sometimes we must become more than we were programmed to be.
Wait! Stop! No! No!
You really think we can do this?
A Rosm always completes its task.
Always safe where you are.
I was honored to be approached to write for this film.
Ready?
What if you look your fears right in
Having this song be a moment just really amplifies the seriousness of the scene and also the fun of it.
You can find a piece of you that you've been hiding.
I do not know what to do next!
I am a wild robot.
Be the first
You're his mother now.
to watch the Wild Robot movie at
Home? Home.
Amazing!
Amazing.
from the studio that brought you How to Train Your Dragon.
He needs to swim and fly.
Swimming's easy. I can teach him the way my mom taught me. Swim!
That's drowning.
The Wild Robot. Watch now.